So guys, I think the suspension settled a little bit because I can't get out this driveway without scraping the shit out of the car.
It's still scraping over here, bro.
All right, Lexus family, today's the day. The GSF is coming out of storage finally, and I'm so freaking excited. All right, guys, so as you know, it's been since basically end of November I put this thing away. Today is March 17th, and I can't wait no more. This whole coming week is saying temperatures are gonna be in the 40 degrees, no rain, no snow, so we're gonna unpackage her, take her out, and finally get to feel power once again. Not saying that my current daily, which is a 3.5 liter V6 Honda Accord, is not bad, but I need that V8 and that rumble in my ears. So let's get this car cover off. Let's get the mud mothballs from all around the car out, undo everything we did for storage, pull it out, and then what I want to do is use my pressure washer to wash out this garage floor, because from all the salt and snow and dirt, I mean, there's just dirt. You know, you walk in here, you step in this garage area, you get in the car, and the whole floor liners are dirty. So I want to pressure wash it all out, make sure it's clean so I don't bring all that into the GSF. So let's get this cover off. Let's get to work, baby. Woo! All right, now that we got this cover off, let's go around and get rid of all these mothballs that I've placed everywhere, so no rodents start eating my baby. A little dusty, but that's okay. Still got my battery tender attached to that, so we do have to disconnect it. Oh, only one mothball on this side. I was being generous. Oh, one over here too. All right, very nice. Ah, I knew I put some mothballs in here. Come on, mothballs. Let's see about the other exhaust, if we have any in here. Sure we do, because I am OCD like that. So let's get these bad boys out. Let me see that beautiful V8, honey. Where are you at? There we go. Ah, yes. My baby, she lives. All right, time to collect the large amount of mothballs I use. Man, I think I go overboard with this stuff, huh? Maybe we'll do a few less next season for storage. Ay caramba. Wow, I really went mothball happy. Oh look, more mothballs. Oh, there's some over there too. Don't hide, guys, don't hide. I need you all. You're not needed no more. Next step is I'm gonna take off the battery tender that I've had on here all winter long. Hopefully C-Tech did a great job. The link is in the description below for this charger if you are interested. It's a very great charger. And let me move some of this stuff out of the way. Let me hop in and let her rip. All right, moment of truth. Let me hop in here, which is gonna be a tight squeeze, but I'm a skinny fella. Ooh, so we can make it happen. All right, so one thing, ooh, my neighbor that has a twin Lexus like my wife, but she has a RX 350 F Sport. No LED triple beams. Anyway, let me prime this up, get those fuel pumps going, and let's fire her up. cold start for about 4 months. Oh, what happened here? Oh, my brake was super hard, so they didn't even recognize I was pressing it. Oh, she lives. Perfect. So, let me know if you guys, if your car does the same thing after it sits all winter. Hopefully the same thing here better. So, does your car do this right here? After it sits for about a month or two, even on the charger, it doesn't lose power, but it does this, and sometimes it doesn't remember my my mirror positions after this happens. So I'm gonna see if that's the same case now. We got 44 degrees outside. Oh yeah, full tank of gas, everything is looking good, and the system is booting up. Time is wrong. I gotta change the daylight savings time, but boom, there we go. That is working. Okay, daylight savings activated. All right, so let me bring my mirrors out. So in that position, they look to be okay. If I go ahead and put the car in reverse, oh, actually, it looks like they remember the positions. Perfect. Okay, so you guys know that I am on the wheel stoppers. Garage is real close, so I'm gonna turn a little bit this way. Gently drive off these bad boys. There we go. Without hitting the garage. All right, let me get rid of the front ones so we don't run over them. The car is out. Comment below if you're super excited for this 2019 season. So much more to come. We're changing the wheels. We're adding the front lip, side skirts. Gotta change my license plate because I got a custom one. Man, so many things are gonna happen. I'm so excited. Oh, that sound. I freaking missed that sound. But now next part of this video. So as you can see, I got a little drop right there. I'm gonna back the car out. I have some makeshift ramps. I'm gonna back it out here because I want to pressure wash that inside area. So let's get those ramps in place and back this car out. And so as you can see, that went smoother than expected down my makeshift ramps that I used for my GTI previously. And now basically my GSF is a yard queen. Just kidding, just kidding. All right, man, so excited to get this car finally up and going. I've missed it so freaking much. And just look how good it looks. That beautiful stance on the CKS coilovers, which I'm gonna actually do some quick adjustments before the video ends for the shock settings, since there is still a lot of potholes. Since there is still a lot of potholes in Chicago, I'm gonna go a few clicks softer, so that way I'm not getting banged around till they fix those potholes. So let's do that. So right now I am 9 clicks from the hardest setting. I'm gonna go back, so I'm at 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's gonna be that. Let me go check what the back is at. So in the rear, I went to 17 clicks from the stiffest setting just to get over the next few months of this harsh weather. So on these potholes, that'll be good enough. All right, guys, the car is clean. It's behind me. Well, it was clean, but it had some dust, so I hit it with car gliss. It's a ceramic-based coating, so I could just give it a nice layer of protection. And now I'm gonna take the car out and go for a little spin and pick up Lily and just enjoy driving this car all over again. Let's go for a little ride in this bad boy. Man, it feels like it's been ages on top of ages that I have not driven this car. I got my heated seats on because it is freaking chilly. Let's get that heat going and let's go for a ride, guys. I'm gonna go to my parents' house, pick up Lily, but before I do that, I'm gonna go for a little cruise just to make sure everything's running right, that there's no issues. Let me actually check my tire pressure. Okay, 43, 43, 43, 42. It is a little high, so let me actually go back in and adjust that, because those are the tire pressures that I had before I stored the car. I put the tire pressures higher so you don't get any flat spots, along with running the flat stoppers. So let me just set these to proper operating PSIs and we'll go for the ride. All right, so there's a lot of sun, so I'm not pointing the camera that way, but I literally just pulled into the main street, traction on everything, and I didn't even floor it, and the back tires were spinning. Granted, it's 45 degrees, so they're cold and got no grip, but man, just makes me remember all the power this car has and the potential that it has. So right off the bat, man, I miss these bucket seats. The upper bolsters are so tight compared to the Honda Accord that I've been driving all winter. Steering wheel is fat and meaty. It's absolutely great to hold in the hands. I don't know, just driving position, even outward visibility is better in this car than in the Honda Accord, because in the Honda the dash is so high. So man, I'm so happy to be in this thing. Just gonna cruise it, get the oil temperatures up to spec, the oil, the transmission, the diff, give it a nice warm up, proper break in after the months and months of it sitting. So gonna drive it around for about 20 minutes, get my doggy Lily, show you her, guys, because I know you miss Lily. She's not around in much of the videos, but that's my #1 baby. Anyway, we are cruising 45 degrees. Oil temperature is coming up to the middle here. And I mean, what can you say about this beautiful interior? Got my heated seats on because it's cold, but I love it. I freaking love it, and I missed it. It's gonna be a great year, guys. It's gonna be a great 2019. So freaking excited. Love you, Lexus. Love you. I can't get out this driveway without scraping the shit out of the car. It's no fun. Low life.
We're gonna go ahead and use a 2x4 to prop one side of this car up, so we can hopefully get off the driveway. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna put it right here. Still scraping. Still scraping over here, bro.
Get out of here.
Well, okay, maybe I should put it on this side, because I think this side is scraping lower. Go back. I mean, I think it's the plastic, but you're very close anyway. Go back out from the other side so I can get that 2x4 out. Man, it definitely had to settle in over winter. All right, let's try going out. All right. You're gonna still angle this way towards me. Huh? All right, full turn to that way. You're gonna escape that way. All right, man.
Oh, yeah, that's my phone.
Can't wait till we get the.
Yeah, let's get the lip
Lip
on
kit.
here so I can never pull in here again.
Alright.
So if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below right now. Then hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all the videos. Carbon fiber lip kit coming. Boston wheels coming. D-badge coming. Taillight tint coming. A lot is coming. Make sure you subscribe so you stay up to date with all those videos coming. Take care.